Hi traders, welcome to Kajane Trade and Train. Today's video is about Banknifty review dated 18th 8 21. Today is the weekly closing day also, weekly expiry day also, that is on 18th. The bank CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. In today's chart, what are all the important key price points we will see. See, this is given by the CPR. All these levels has been given by the CPR. That is the power of CPR. See, exactly at 36,200, approximately 36,200, first candle has opened. Again, at 36,000, it took a breakout towards the downside. Yes, this is also very important price levels. Again, coming to 35,700, up to market moved up to 35,700, then took a breakout at 35,700. See, 35,400, approximately at 35,400, market closed exactly at this key price points. These price points are given by the CPR, that is the power of CPR. Today's CPR is lower value CPR. It indicates it is a bearish market. This is previous day CPR. This is today's CPR. Today's CPR is lower than the previous day's CPR. It indicates it is a bearish market. Today's CPR also, it is a narrow CPR. It says it is a trending day, and also when market is in see narrow CPR, market will move in a single direction. See how it has moved in a single direction. It will not give respect to resistance or a support. It will not respect all these resistance and support lines. Market simply move in a single direction. That is the power of CPR. Such a nice statement it has given. These statements and these techniques should be encashed by our traders. Today is very good day for the non-directional as well as the directional traders also. Non-direction, though it is a trending day, today is non-directional traders also made good money because of heavy decay in the market. Directional, very easy trade. Even see the moving average also, from here to end of the day, candles are moving very close to moving average, 20 period moving average only. This 20 period moving average is below the 200 days moving average. This is double triple confirmations for the bearish traders. See, MACD also, from here it has given the bearish signal and moved slowly. Market also moved very slowly today and give good price to the traders. See, this is also moved very gently, like sideways, bearish to sideways, and today is very good market. RSI also given the confirmation, traded below the 40. To learn all these trading techniques and technical analysis, we are conducting. See, these are all the technical analysis we are conducting in today's workshops. You can learn what I have shown, that trends and chart trading, candlestick, icon, I told moving average, MACD, RSI, support and resistance lines, breakouts, and also option basics to options, the straddle, built up of straddles or strangles and other strategies also, and also price indicator, CPR indicator, its techniques. All these things you can learn in our 2 days workshop that we are conducting on Saturday and Sunday to learn and earn. My contact number is 96866 85157. Thank you.